Hey guys, it's Carrie and TJ here in Dillon, Colorado.
And we're kicking off the trip here at the Ice Castles. Here we go, bud. Ready?
The ice castles are formed by running a lot of irrigation lines, and then we make a basic structure with icicles and spray water on that to fill in the vertical walls that you see around.
Adults and kids alike will love the ice castles. Everett certainly did. He was so excited, in fact, that he lost his balance and shoe, but quickly learned he was better off walking. Everett kept directing us where to look next, pointing out fountains, slides, and tunnels. We went sledding at Dillon Nature Preserve next. After a run with TJ, Everett and I trucked uphill, but with face expressions like this, we knew it was time's up. So the next few runs, E took a water break while TJ went solo, and I followed.
Go faster.
Sledding adventures accomplished, we headed to Sapphire Point for a short half-mile flat loop hike. It is Dillon's Murky Overlook and sits at 9,500 feet with absolutely stunning views of Lake Dillon and the surrounding mountains. While in Dillon, also make sure to check out another outdoor favorite, Marina Park. We all tried to slide, but the swing was more Everett's speed, which also offered some great views. Everett tried some new toys until he was... and then it was TJ's turn. Are you all done? When it came time to dine, we tried Arapaho Cafe, a local staple operated by a father and daughter team.
The Arapaho Cafe has been around since the 1940s, serving Summit County breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's been in our family for 16 years. We're known for our barbecue. We smoke it all in-house. You can't go wrong with any of our menus, though. Come in, see why the locals keep voting us one of the best restaurants in Dillon.
Another Summit County institution is Pug Ryan's Brewery. This spot focuses on upscale pub grub and, of course, beer.
People were surprised to see that Pug Ryan is now doing sours. It is called the Reluctant Sour Series because I really thought I'd never make sours. Our first sour was Never Say Never. We'll be coming out with a different sour probably about every few months.
White Boots is another favorite dinner spot that is super kid-friendly. The menu features lots of delicious choices, including house favorites like the mixed fajitas and barbacoa. But Everett was more about the mac and cheese, which he thought was so delicious, he ate it by the handful. For dessert, we ordered fried ice cream, which of course we gave Everett the cherry on top from. For lodging, we stayed at the Hampton Inn Silverthorne, which had comfortable and modern rooms. It was also kid-approved. Other perks about staying here are that it's dog-friendly and it has a swimming pool if your little one needs to burn off any extra energy. We loved winding down our evenings and reading books to our little guy and waking up in a central spot ready to start another great day in Dillon.